Hey guys! Welcome to this channel again, Life with Lai. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kung paano ang place ng isang property namin nag-progress in less than a year. Ito na ngayon, March 2026. So kung makikita nyo, meron kaming mga different kinds of plants and yung mga trees na we planted in less than a year. Ito yung grapes vineyard na in progress. At actually, yung gusto ko kasi na for our family, meron kaming, just to do picking once in a year at may enjoy namin itong place na to. Ito yung mulberries na kung saan pinagawa kong ganyan para ma-easy yung yung pagpipik namin, especially kung may mga bata, maano lang siya, we can just reach it and easier for them. At ito yung Mandela na Birds of Paradise na gusto kong padamihin, so it's kind of like a plantation in the property now kasi this is a very beautiful flowers at ito yung paborito ko na isa sa mga paborito ko na it can bloom 365 days in a year at for the property gusto ko na marami at meron akong ipipik every day para sa bahay. So that's it for now. Bye!